Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a vlog for you guys. So we are actually going to Ikea for the very first time. I know, crazy, right? So yeah, we're here now. As you can see, Ikea. But before I show you our little Ikea trip, I'm going to show you a clip of our park day on July 4th because I didn't get to vlog like I wanted to on that day because it was raining, and so I didn't want to get the chances of ruining my camera. So watch that clip first and I'll see you back in a few. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go.
That was fun. Hey, why are you videoing me? Enough! Yay! Yay! Woohoo! Whee! Yay! That's enough! Cecily! Woohoo! Great!
Alright, well we just got done looking in Ikea. It was okay. What do you think?
Alright.
Yeah, it was alright. I think a lot of people hype up Ikea up, and I was just like, I don't know, I guess those things don't tickle my fancy.
Oh, that burns.
So we're gonna leave Ikea now and head somewhere. So where are we heading to? We have no idea. But
I do.
where?
Into skydiving. Yeah, let's go into skydiving.
We are not doing that today.
Yeah, please, 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 please.
No.
Alright, well, wherever we're going, we'll take you with us. So stay tuned because we don't even know. Alright, hey guys, so it started raining today, so it kind of ruined our plans to go other places. So we decided that, well, I decided that I wanted to do the husband tag just to kind of get to know us a little better. So I'm going to ask him questions and let's get started, shall we? Alright, babe, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. First question. That's a hard one because I love food. I'm a big foodie.
Least favorite food? Grits, maybe?
I don't like grits.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, so I guess that, yeah, I don't really
Alright,
like
there you go.
grits.
I mean, you're not Southern, so I mean, I don't know why you don't like grits. I mean,
I am Southern. I'm from here.
No, if you don't like grits, you're not Southern. But alright. Lemonade, I guess.
Yeah, the only thing I drink is coffee.
Tea.
I love sweet tea. And
Coke
now
Zero.
I just started drinking Coke Zero
Like a lot of Coke Zero.
and root beer. Those are like the most. I don't like fruity drinks. I could care.
And water. So,
Oh yeah, water, of course. I drink water.
I mean, if you want to put that in the category, yeah.
Yeah, so not.
I'm guessing.
Yeah. So that was a good answer.
All right. Well,
We're in our daughter's room, by the way, because it's the best lighting in here. It's so cloudy outside, and they have actually good lighting.
you ain't got to lie. I mean, those are your teddy bears over there. So.
I sleep with these every night. Bunnies.
Yeah. Okay. That was a long time ago. Let me guess. Maybe you was the most beautiful person in the world, and I had to have you. That's what I'm thinking.
That's exactly what you thought.
I'm sure I was a teenager boy. Yes.
He was a sophomore. I was a
Yeah,
freshman.
I'm almost sure that's where my head was at that time.
Yeah, I remember him, like, he kept looking at me.
Well, we gotta go through the story. We're not. That's a different video. We're not even gonna go through that.
Okay, if you want to know our story,
no,
like this video and comment down below, and we'll share.
We're not
story.
sharing that. There's two different sides. We're not.
It's a cute story.
No, it's not. It's terrible.
Oh, it's not.
We're not going there. Not today. Other than coffee, and probably the gym, because you have to get the gym in.
Yeah.
Like a lot. That's really it.
Obsessed. I feel like
mean,
that's a very strong word. Obsessed.
I mean, you can look at it in different ways. It's just that's how I'm looking at it. I mean, just
so the gym and coffee.
Yeah, there's something.
And food. I love food.
Well, everybody has to have food, but I'm talking about like necessities that you will probably go crazy and
gym clothes.
Probably choke one of us out if you don't have
gym clothes.
Yeah, that too.
I'm obsessed with gym clothes.
If I were to bleach all of her gym clothes, I probably will be on.
Oh my gosh, I don't even want to think
They
about
probably
that.
will be looking for my body.
If you
because she'll
bleached
probably-
all my gym clothes, you owe me a whole new gym wardrobe.
She probably will strangle me to death
I would not do that.
and then cut my hand off.
Oh my god, that's
So-
horrible.
Yes.
I would never do that.
Is you're talking about as far as like a feature or what you do? Like, be specific.
Both.
Feature that I like is your smile.
Really?
Yes, I do like that.
Aw.
What you do, we do have a lot of fun. So, I guess you're just bubbly and energetic. I'm very laid back, so we're gonna need that contrast. So
We balance each other out.
yeah, for sure, yes, I like that.
So that's a feature? That's a characteristic.
Look, I just
Oh,
Yeah,
so
you-
you said my smile and then how fun I am?
yeah.
Okay. Those are good things.
I'm gonna say if it's still the same, Reese's Puffs.
Yes, I love Reese's Puffs
Although
because
she hasn't had them in like 6 months.
no, I had Reese's Puffs after my show, my bodybuilding competition.
Which was when? Over 6 months ago.
September.
Yes.
Oh.
It's July.
Wow. Yeah, so that it has been a long time.
It's been a long time. A 9, I think.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm a 9, 9.5, but most of the time it's 9s.
Alright, there you go.
I have 2 favorite movies that I love.
Of all times.
Yeah, like I couldn't get tired of watching them. Maybe one of them I could get tired of, but there's one movie that I watched over and over and over again when it came on Netflix. And it had Jennifer Lopez in it. I love that movie. The Wedding Planner.
I wouldn't guess that.
That was my absolute favorite movie. I don't know what it is about that movie, but it's so funny and it's my favorite movie.
Yeah, I wouldn't have guessed that one.
And Dirty Dancing. I love that movie too.
I probably would have got that one, but
Really?
it's been a...
I didn't think you'd guess that one. Dirty
Huh?
Dancing?
Well, you told me that a long time ago that you
Oh.
liked that one, but you just haven't watched it in a while. So.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
Is this in state or, well, in the country or out of the country?
Both.
Well, in the country, probably New York.
Yep.
Out of the country, maybe Paris, New England, maybe. I don't know.
Not on the top of the list. I
Maybe-
mean,
maybe-
I would
maybe
love to go
England.
there one day.
Australia.
No. I mean, I would, honestly, I would love to go anywhere to travel to. But when I think of 2 places out of country, is Hawaii.
That's not out of the. Well, it's still a part of the U.S.
Well,
I mean, it's
I guess,
technically detached from us, but it's still a part
okay.
of the United States.
Definitely New York. I've always wanted to go to New York. And then I always wanted to go to Hawaii and Puerto Rico. Those are the 2 islands I would love to go to.
Okay.
But I would love to travel all over the world if I could. That would be so awesome.
Got it. What, are you trying to cut me? You did it on the video already.
I say I will cut you. Like Bon Qui Qui. I don't know if you guys know who Bon Qui Qui is. Angela Johnson. But I love her. And I say that way too many times. I will cut you. Cut. I don't know.
I don't know.
We were 17 when we started dating. Well, no, I was 17. You were 18. No, I think we both were 17. No,
It's not possible.
you were 18. So we started dating when we were in high school. I was a sophomore, right? You were a junior?
I don't remember.
We've been together a long time,
It's been
guys.
a long time.
So I think he probably said I love you first, honestly, because he loved me already.
Okay, you want to tell that story too?
That is a part of the whole story, our love story, which could be a separate video.
Yeah, we're not talking about that either. So.
But I think he was probably the one that said it first. Would you agree to that?
Yeah, we'll say that.
We don't watch much TV, but we watch Netflix pretty much.
TV shows on there.
Yeah, we watch
the
same shows.
You don't really. Not really. I mean, you don't. Some of the shows I watch, you don't want to watch.
Yeah, like his detective shows.
That you eventually end up watching.
Because that's the only time.
Nah, I don't hear that. But probably. I mean, you're big on the Full House stuff.
Yeah.
I guess Full House.
Fuller House.
Fuller House.
It's alright. I don't care. I don't really care for it anymore.
Yeah, that's about it.
But that's just because I grew up on Full House, and when it came with Fuller House, I was really excited, but it's kind of lame, honestly.
Oh, is it really?
But I don't really watch too much TV. When we watch pretty much the same shows, like The Flash.
Yeah.
The hero type shows.
That got boring though. The heroes.
Yeah,
That got boring.
Yeah, we don't really watch a lot of TV, honestly.
No, not a lot.
What's one thing we argue about?
It's usually just a disagreement about something.
Just honestly, I get aggravated when he thinks he's right all the time.
We're really gonna go there.
Honestly, that's really what we argue about. I'm like, you're not right, you don't make any sense.
First of all,
and this doesn't make any sense. I gotta
argue if I'm wrong. If I'm right, I'm right. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. That's pretty much it.
If he's wrong, he'll try to make it look like he's right.
No, not at all.
But that's really what we argue about. We don't really argue about anything specifically.
No.
But, yeah. We've come a long way. We've grown a lot.
Which is another story.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, that's it.
Okay, that was the last question. So, yeah, I think we should definitely make another video talking about like our love story, how we started dating, our proposal.
Nope.
Why not?
Not putting that thing on there.
Why?
Well, they're gonna have to put some serious likes on there.
Okay.
Because I'm not
serious likes, guys. Okay.
I'm not putting
how many likes be reasonable?
Reasonable? 100.
100 likes. So get 100 likes, guys. Share this video. Subscribe if you're not a part of this channel, our little family. This is my fitness channel, but I am not just a fitness person. I love to do vlogs. I love to do challenges. I don't want to put myself in just one little box and say this is just a fitness channel, because I am so much more than just a fitness competitor, a gym rat, whatever you want to call me. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, and I love life, and I've always wanted to do videos and create content. So I'm finally doing it, and so let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you want to see, because I am ready to take on whatever you guys want. So let me know. So thank you guys for watching. Love ya.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Describe.
It's subscribe.
As our kids would say, describe. I'll try and do a thumbnail.
A thumbnail.
If I don't end up doing
Here's
the other one.
there's my thumb.
Nail.
There you go.